Good morning, folks. Hope you're having a great day. I'm just going to update you on the yard-long bean. I see there on the bottom that there's some yellowing. I want to inform you too, I don't fertilize these at all. I'm giving everything in my yard the no fertilizer test, and I'm trying not to apply any mulch this year for this go around because I really want to see what does well in this Florida soil and what needs help. So next year I'll be applying some mulch, but I'm going to really work to stay away from using fertilizers because I don't want to become dependent on fertilizers. I only want to grow what works well here in my yard without fertilizer. But the yard-long bean seems to be yellowing at the early leaves. I don't know if that's a sign of the cold affecting them, or they're just simply, that's just a simple mechanism for when they age. But this yard-long bean vine is growing up into the canopy that we produced here, and it's still flowering, so I suspect that it's normal for the older leaves to yellow and fall off, and it'll produce new foliage, because these don't look like they're done producing at all. Anyhow, thanks for watching. I'll keep you updated. Have a good day.